Hi friends, and welcome! In today's lesson, we're going to learn over 150 easy English sentences about my house and my morning routine. Together, we'll learn the names of everyday rooms and objects, practice useful daily vocabulary, and follow a simple morning routine from waking up to leaving the house. Listen, read the captions, and if you feel up to it, repeat the sentences you hear out loud. Speaking along is one of the best ways to improve your English. So, are you ready? Let's begin in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, this is my bedroom. This is my bed. This is my pillow. This is my duvet. This is my bedside table. This is my alarm clock. This is my lamp. This is my wardrobe. And this is my chest of drawers. I wake up at 6:45 a.m. My alarm clock rings. I turn the alarm off. I sit up in bed. I stretch my arms. I stretch my legs. I yawn. And I get out of bed. I open the curtains. The sun is shining outside. I look out of the window. I make my bed. I tidy my bedroom. I leave the bedroom. This is my bathroom. This is my sink. My tap or my faucet. My mirror. My toothbrush. My toothpaste. My shower. My towel, my toilet, and this is my bathroom cabinet. These are some of the items you'll find in my bathroom. This is my soap. This is my shampoo. This is my conditioner. This is my body wash. This is my hairbrush. This is my razor, my hand towel, my bath mat, my toilet roll, and this is my bathroom bin. I go into my bathroom. I turn the tap on. I wash my face. I dry my face. I look at myself in the mirror. I brush my teeth. And then I rinse my mouth. I have a shower. I wash my hair. I rinse my hair. I wash my body. I dry myself with a towel. I brush my hair. I apply moisturizer. I go back to the bedroom. And I get dressed. This is my kitchen. This is my fridge. This is my freezer. This is my oven. This is my hob or cooktop. This is my kettle. This is my toaster. This is my sink. And this is my kitchen tap. This is my microwave. These are my cupboards. This is my worktop. This is my dining table. This is one of my chairs. This is my mug, my plate, my bowl, my spoon, my fork, and my knife. This is my frying pan, my saucepan, my spatula, my chopping board, and this is my tea towel. I am going to make a cup of tea. First, I put water in the kettle. I switch the kettle on. Then, I wait for the water to boil. I get a mug. And I put a tea bag in the mug. The kettle has finished boiling. I pour the hot water into the mug. Then I let the tea brew. After 2 to 3 minutes, I remove the tea bag. I add some milk. I give the tea a stir with my spoon. I enjoy my cup of tea. I am hungry. I am going to make breakfast. I am having fried eggs and toast. I put a frying pan on the hob. I add some oil to the pan. I turn the hob on. I let the oil heat up. I get some bread. I put the bread in the toaster. I push the toaster lever down. I get 2 eggs. I crack the eggs into the frying pan. The eggs begin to cook. I watch the eggs carefully. The toaster pops up. I put the toast on a plate. I spread butter on the toast. My eggs are ready. I use a spatula to lift the eggs. I put the eggs on the toast. I add a little salt, and I add a little pepper. I put my breakfast on the table. I sit down. I eat my breakfast. I drink my tea. Yummy, my breakfast is delicious. After breakfast, I tidy up. I wash the dishes. I clean the kitchen. I wipe the worktop. I pack my bag. I put my lunch in my bag. And I put a water bottle in my bag. I check the bus timetable. I put my shoes on. I check that I have my phone, my wallet, and my keys. I open the front door. I step outside my house. I am ready for the day. Well done! You've reached the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning these easy English sentences about my house and my morning routine. I also hope you learned some new words and phrases that you can use in your everyday English conversations. Remember, the best way to improve your English is to listen, read, and speak a little every day. If you can, watch this lesson again and repeat the sentences out loud. Your confidence will quickly grow. I'll be sharing many more videos just like this, covering everyday English, useful vocabulary, simple conversations, and real-life situations to help you become a more confident English speaker. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future lessons. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Take care, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye!